everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Virgin, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Virgos for December 2018. Now when I say general reading, this is going to cover your love, career, soul story, what's going on for December. Now some of you guys who have been following me, I'm doing something different. I'm actually videoing me myself. It's a little weird, it's a little odd, I'm not into that. But you know, I figured let's put a face to the channel, okay? I usually have the camera right on the table so you guys can see what's going on, but you know, hey, I'm gonna try something different, okay? Alright, so some of you may know I always go over the planets, the new moons, full moons, what's going on for December, so you can just get some energy. So let me read off the list here. On the 2nd, December 2nd, we have Venus is entering Scorpio. On the 6th, we have your ruling planet is finally going direct in Scorpio. Thank God, right? Those retrogrades, we can really deal without them. Now, I believe that the retrogrades are a time in your life where you need to kind of look at yourself, take a break, get on your meditation schedule, because it's easy to fall off the wagon with that, okay? All right, and on the 7th, we have a new moon in Sagittarius. After that, on the 12th, we have your ruling planet, Mercury, is entering Sagittarius. So it's going to be a very busy month if you know a Sagittarius, and you're also going to hone in that energy, okay? And on the 22nd, we have a full moon in Cancer, okay? And Cancer's ruler is the moon, okay? So it might be a little bit extra emotional during that time, but don't worry, all right, guys? All right, so let's just jump right into it. All right, let's pull some cards for my Virgo for December 2018. What is the energy that is going on for that month? Oh my. I have to admit, this is definitely odd showing myself here. I'm such a private person that this is not me. You know, I've created this entire channel and got partnered with YouTube with just purely the camera on the table. So, trying something new. Please be kind. All right, guys, we have a really good reading. I just flipped over all of the cards. We are starting with the Star card. Okay, so there might be an Aquarius in your life entering, but I see this as you're coming into your own. Perhaps some of you might get some local attention, starting a community group, perhaps even reading yourself, diving into your talents, okay, and your spirituality during the beginning of the month. This is a great card to start off with, guys. And it's followed by the Three of Cups. So you are either going to find friends, start something in the community, perhaps something with the local schools. This card represents people coming together, uniting, having the same ideas, same likes, okay, desires about life. Perhaps you are influencing other people or leading a small group yourself. And you're ending with the Five of Swords. Now, with the Five of Swords, I'm getting an energy of you are going to be walking away with a lot in December. I know a lot of my Virgos have really been pushing over their feelings. Perhaps even having somebody leeching in their life. It could be an ex, it could be a current relationship, it could be your job. There is something that you are taking care of yourself. A lot of you are going to be growing a backbone, okay? And I know it's very hard for my sweet little Virgos to say no to something when you just, honestly, you just don't want to disappoint anybody. But this is changing, okay? Because I feel that you are now going to be walking away with a lot. Be sure that you don't completely turn the tables and become a leech yourself. I really don't see that possible for some of you guys, but it definitely could be an issue. So just make sure that what you are taking from others, it is deserved. You've earned it. Okay? All right? I love this card. I love this setup for you because I really do feel a lot of you guys are going to be happier. to find friends or start a group, to join a group, okay? It could be the local book club. It could be a festival, something where there are going to be like-minded people in your life. You are probably going to be inspired from them and grow a backbone and make sure that you cut off those people in life that do no longer serve you, okay? I know those leeches, they could be in disguise and you have no idea that they are just leeching your energy and sucking it from you. We're going to turn the tables, and I'm a Virgo too. But I feel like you definitely are going to be walking away with a lot. Just make sure that it's done in good taste. Make sure if you are leaving that dead-end job that you are putting in your 2 weeks, okay? We don't want to burn the bridge. We want to do it appropriately, okay? But just make sure it's not draining you, and especially the ones that you love too, as well, okay? Remain sweet, my Virgos, but grow that backbone. All right. So now we're going to get a message from the angels. Any advice, inspiration, a direction that my Virgos may need to be pointed in for December 2018. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me. I do FaceTime, over the phone, email, pre-recorded. Let me know. Maybe just show some love. Comment below. There's a strong family here on Spiritual Findings. Okay, so let's see here. Let's get the vibe from the cards that just jumped out. I had quite a bit of cards jump out at me here. Okay, I said 1, but we got 5. We have the 10 of water, the 9 of earth, Knight of fire, the moon, and the 2 of earth. Okay, so there is a rewarding family life. Your emotional and material needs are met. Trustworthy relationships. That says a lot. That really does say a lot. For some of you guys that are coming from bad relationships, or, you already could be with, the one that you love. Those relationships that you truly know benefit you and your family life, make sure that those people feel appreciated. You could be in a slump, a depression, you could be really hermiting yourself, and just to make sure that, you might not have talked to your friend in a very long time, maybe just email them or text them and be like, hey, how are you? I still care about you, even though I might be a borderline agoraphobic, I still care about you. All right, the 9 of earth. Enjoying life's little luxuries, spending quiet time alone, successful self-employment. I really do feel, my Virgos, you are very creative. You have ideas that nobody else does. And with that, you need to embrace it. Okay, like I said, perhaps some of you are card readers yourself. I am currently doing tarot card reading courses, okay? Whatever it is that's your calling, Virgo, if you do not go for it, I hate to say it, but the depression or the loneliness or whatever it is that you feel will not go away until you really embrace your true self. And after that, we have the Knight of fire, passionate, adventurous, self-assured, restless. A sudden event that needs immediate attention. The time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. With this, you know what it is, Virgo. You know what it is that needs to be handled. Handle it. Don't be afraid. Change might be scary, but it's inevitable. You know you need to change. Okay? All right? So we also have the moon. Important psychic insights. Events behind the scenes. Release fears that hold you back. Now, Virgo, this definitely is the card for you, because if you do not release those fears, they will suffocate you. okay? There's a lot of things in life that are worth thinking about, but there's nothing in life worth worrying about, Virgo. Remember that. Some of you may have heard me say that before because it is true, okay? Two of Earth. Too much going on at once. The need to make a decision. Consider a more playful approach. Now, Virgos, my sweet, sweet Virgos. Whatever it is that needs to be tended to, do not let it kill your spirit, okay? There might be a lot of change going on. Perhaps some of you have court around the corner. It might feel suffocating, okay? It might even just be way too much on your shoulders, but do not let that kill your spirit, because we all know that positive energy attracts more positive energy, okay? I really feel like a lot of you need to take your meditation seriously. Okay, I'm going to write you a prescription right now to meditate twice a day, every day for 20 minutes. Try to make sure it's at the same time. There you go. But seriously, there's a lot of things in life that you just, you kind of want to hide from, but you can't. It needs to be dealt with. Now's the time. You have waited way too long, Virgo. But in doing so, or even just thinking about it, remember to stay positive, okay? It's a lot. There's a lot in life that you need to address right now, okay? All right, guys, so that pretty much concludes our reading for December 2018. Like I said, reach out for a private reading if you would like. If not, just comment below. There's a strong family here on Spiritual Findings, and I love hearing from you guys, okay? Thanks for tuning in, guys. You guys have a wonderful December.